In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target email lists with Google Ads. This is a valuable skill for anyone looking to enhance their marketing strategy and reach a more defined audience. We'll navigate through the process step by step. So, get comfortable and let's dive in. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is the platform where you'll manage your online advertising campaigns and reach potential customers effectively. If you haven't already signed in, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. Using your Google account, you can access the full range of tools available to build and manage your campaigns. It's crucial to ensure you're signed in to the correct account before proceeding, as this will directly affect where your ads appear and who they reach. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will be your command center for all advertising activities. Next, locate the Tools option. This is where Google Ads packs all the necessary resources for configuring your campaigns. By clicking on Tools, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a range of options. In the drop-down menu, find the Shared Library option. This is a unique feature under Tools that helps you organize resources like audiences and conversion tracking, which are fundamental for targeting the right users more efficiently. Select Shared Library, and from there, click on Audience Manager. Audience Manager is where the magic happens. It's a hub that allows you to create and manage your audience lists, a vital step in ensuring your ads reach the right people. Now let's move forward by clicking on Audiences. This option will direct you to a page where you can see all the audiences you've previously created. If you're new to this, it may be empty, but you'll soon fill it with tailored audiences. Here, you can monitor audience performance and make adjustments as necessary. We're almost there. The next step is to click on Create Audience. This is where you'll build a new audience list, specifically linked to the email lists you want to target. Consider this as creating a bespoke group of potential customers who are more likely to engage with your ads and ultimately your product or service. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for a more targeted and successful Google Ads campaign. With your newly created audience list, you can prepare to launch ads that speak directly to the needs and interests of your email subscribers. Keep refining and adjusting your lists for the best results, and you'll be on your way to achieving your marketing goals through Google Ads.